Huh? Is your brother with that mouth?
Hello, Ed Boys. Many doors yet? Too much for couch potato Ed Boys like yourself.
I ain't touching that.
Not to mention a duck.
Holy mackerel! Come in, Earth. Come in, Earth.
What are you? Some kind of troll or something?
I was born to be wild.
What? And ruin all this frustration?
Everybody now!
Help me! Don't let the monster eat me!
All that hard work.
I ain't touching that.
You crazy? I was born to be wild, but the cage was too small.
Loser.
Hey, Rolf! Incoming!
Rolf is not amused, you...
Huh?
All that hard work.
Not to mention a duck.